Hi Stampers, it's Elizabeth from StampScrapandMore.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. Thank you for joining me this evening. It is Friday, October 15th. It is 8:30 p.m. and I am home from work. I've done my grocery shopping, I've eaten, I've done dinner, done the dishes, and I was about to get ready to go to bed. Yes, I know, 8:30 on a Friday night I'm going to bed, but it's been one of those weeks. However, I opened up the paper pumpkin kit and then I realized, oh shoot, you should have shown it. You should have done an unboxing. So I've unboxed it and I'm going to share it with you. It's gorgeous. Let me share it with you. Okay, so it came in a really pretty box. Let me show you the box. Paper pumpkin. Theme is shaded spruce. We've got snowflakes. I should say snowflakes up here. We've got pine trees down here. So you know, folks, they're Christmas cards. And I really wish that I had purchased an extra kit. So the Stampin' Spot, as I mentioned before, is shaded spruce. It has a stamp set that says Merry Christmas, peaceful Christmas wishes, wishing you and your family all the best, holiday cheer from our home to you and yours, sending you peace and joy all year long. We've got some snowflakes and we've got a border of pine trees. Really pretty. And it does coordinate with the Peaceful Christmas Suite collection, which is in the July to December catalog. So can't get enough of your Christmas card making kit? Make even more magic with Peaceful Place products. With gorgeous gray patterned paper, shimmery sequins, beautiful brush foil, a cozy cabin stamp set, and so much more, the Peaceful Place Suite collection pairs perfectly with your kit components. Recreate a still rustic scene and walk in a winter wonderland all season long. So these are some projects using the Peaceful Place Suite. We also have some real red baker's twine, and we've got some dimensionals. We also have some faceted gemmed snowflakes. Coordinating colors on the kit are basic gray, real red, shaded spruce, and silver foil. Makes 10 full-size Christmas cards or regular-size Christmas cards. Let me share with you the envelopes. I think I'm more excited. Don't get me wrong, I love this kit, but I love the envelopes. These are the envelopes. Aren't they gorgeous with the silver foil? Nice, with a nice silver pen to write the address on it. I think it'll be gorgeous, but check out the liner on these envelopes. It's the shaded spruce buffalo check. Love, love, love this. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Card bases are shaded spruce, and it's just a very plain shaded spruce, right? And there's 5 of those. And where's the other? Oh, here they are. The other card base. Check out this card base. Oh my stars. If Stampin' Up! Had sold this as a card base this year, oh, I would have been so on board with this. I would have purchased so many of them. Let me show you the card. So this is the shaded spruce that is folded in half. Really nice quality of cardstock. It's not a flimsy cardstock, which I love. And then here is the gray on gray. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Love this. Now, if you wanted to take this up a notch, I say this all the time, you can use some of the shimmery crystal effects on the branches. Let it dry and you just have that little bit of shimmer. You can use Wink of Stella. You can also use the fine tip glue just to highlight some of the tree branches if you wanted to. I think this is beautiful enough. You don't have to do that. And I know it might sound really weird, but this is absolutely beautiful. It's got so much dimension to it. It looks snowy and wintry. I love it. So what else do we have? Let me just I'm going to put this card here and this card here. And then I need to show here. So on this card, it looks like, oh, you have 5 of the buffalo check layers, matted layers. Then it looks like you're going to stamp a row of the trees. And then you are going to put down, there's 5 of the vellum trees that you're going to put down. Oh, you know what? It goes this way, folks. Sorry, ignore me. Ignore everything I just did. It goes this way. You're going to put 5 of the vellum trees down like that. And then you're going to, there's 5 of these, which are like a wood grain that's going to go along there like that. Then you have 10 of these because they're good for both. You're going to use them on both cards, and it's going to go along like that. And then you've got silver foil Noel. You've got 5 of those, and then that will go on like that. And then there will be a splattering of the faceted snowflakes. Okay, this is so simple, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love it. And so here are the 5 vellum trees. You have to poke them all out or punch them out. Okay. Oh, and here are the foil Noels. And then on this tree, this card, it's so simple. I'm not sure, I haven't, because you know me, I don't read instructions, right? I'm not sure if you will have to do any stamping on the background. You might stamp some snowflakes, but then this will go down, which is you'll have a sheet of these. You'll have 5 sheets of these, right? And so this one will go down, and then you've got a sheet of the labels, and there's 6 there. And then this one is, I showed you that already, we'll go there. And there'll be some ribbon involved. You put some red twine, and then this will go like this. And again, you'll put a spattering of the faceted gems or snowflakes. So that is this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. If I didn't say it before, I'm going to say it now. I wish I had ordered more. This is one of those kits that easy to put together, yet has a really nice impact, really classic, beautiful cards. I love this kit. Kind of wish I had got more. So I'm going to stock, I think, I'm not, at some point, if there's any left over, Stampin' Up! Opens it up to order more. So I'm going to stock my stock the website to see if they add more to it. So that's this month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. Next month's kit is also Christmas themed, but it looks like they are treat boxes. So if you're looking for cute treat boxes for placemats, for table center placemats, you know, little candies or put little gifts in them. They look like they're oversized treat boxes. The one that we've seen is like a snowman, so it's really super cute. And so if you're into treat boxes, don't miss out on next month's Paper Pumpkin Kit. All right, take care, happy stamping, and I'll be up tomorrow morning at 6 because I'm going to be putting these together. It's been a miserable afternoon with rain. It's supposed to rain tonight and I think tomorrow morning. And I love nothing more than waking up and coming into my craft room at 6 a.m. and watch the sunrise and craft away. It's my happy place. So take care, happy stamping, and we'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.